Howdy everybody, once again we are coming to you from somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and man, it is getting hot. And so we're going to wrap it up today with our weekly pistol practice. And of course we'll be doing this with our Rock Island 1911 in 9mm. And without any further ado, let's get on with this. Last week we were able to keep all of our rounds on paper. Wasn't the prettiest group in all the world, but we kept it all on a notebook sheet of paper. And we're just going to see if we can improve on any of that today. So we've got 2 9-round mags, and let's see how this goes. Oh, and we are at 10 yards. Phew. See if we can be any more steady than we were last week. Whole problem is I can't see a lot better than I could last week. And I have no idea why I get so anxious when it's time to shoot a pistol. That, I don't get it. If I can see anything, I think we're doing okay. It doesn't look like I'm jerking shots just all over the place. We don't have one in the red yet. I wish I could not shake so bad. I see some of them are starting to go left a bit. That's basically where I like to shoot, is low and left. We are trying hard to remedy that. It looks like the majority are still going left. Yeah, that ain't no good. Huh, magazine did not lock back. And these are not the best mags that I have, but they seem to work. That's not a magazine, that's a knife. Once again, I'm glad this is no tactical situation. We'd be in bad trouble, wouldn't we? Alright, continuing on. Okay, we're starting to shoot low and left. It's getting worse with every pull. And that was that. So, don't think we did real bad. Let's take a closer look. Alright, well, here is our target. And, man, I'm going to have to review the footage. I didn't think that I was shooting that low. Those might have been from last week, though, I think. So let's try and count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there's probably a 17 and an 18 somewhere in there. So I think we did way better than we did last week. I think that we basically kept them all inside of our target. So yay to that. Wow. All right, man. Practice does pay off, I guess. Huh. That's very cool because, man, last time we were just all over the paper. And so, man, for me to keep them all in this, I'm happy about that. That makes me happy. All right, we're getting better. Next, I got to get the 45 out here so we can practice with a red dot. Man, that's a pistol that man, I'm struggling with the most. And it should be the easiest. Because I did get that dot sighted in, and then I never did practice with it. It's kind of like, you know, man, a lot of us get carried away with shooting groups with a rifle, man, and we kind of forget about the necessity of the pistol. And you can't forget about that, man, especially when you carry one, so God forbid you ever have to use it. Anyways, guys, man, hope y'all enjoyed that. And, phew, man, I gotta go. It's hot out here. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.